Snickle Fritz. Hi, Tundra. It's like, well, I still smell my mom up front. I don't know. Hi, oh, Tai. Tundra, come here. Hi, Roscoe. Hi, Nala. You want to check everything out? Hi, Tundra. Hi, Tundra, you pretty girl. Yes, you're a very pretty girl. So many dog butts to sniff, so little time. Good job. Good job. Go check everything out. Yep. Let's go check it all out. Oh, that's your buddy Dewey. Hi, Doo-Doo. Funny meeting you here. Oh, she's getting a little... Good job. Come on, Tundra. Like, who's this little spindly thing over here? That's Ruby. You remember Ruby? Yeah. Dewey, you gonna show her the ropes today, huh? Are you gonna show her around? Look at all the little dogs. Who are all these littles in here? Come on, guys. Will you walk down with me? Come on. Tundra, let's go. Look at Tundra. Hey, Roscoe. Good job. I guess we're gonna play. All right. Eli. Hi. She's breathing everywhere.